How do you keep security to your children inside? We should be keep security to our children inside from the scissors, knife, blade, gas cylinder, gas oven, electricity, switchboard, and plug point. How do you keep security to your children outside? We should be keep security to our children in outside from the car accident, light lamp post, red light, barking dogs, and electricity. How do you should be protect to your children from burning fire in kitchen? We should be always to take carefully to our children from burning fire in the kitchen. We pay attention to our children if you are not to enter in the kitchens, and we should be to follow them. Be aware to the kitchen's burning fire. Articles in the a cat, a TV, a pencil, a pen, a book, an elephant, and egg, an igloo, an umbrella, the cat, the cow, the dog, the tiger, the fox. Cat baby kitten, dog baby puppy, cow baby calf, tiger baby calf, elephant baby calf, deer baby fawn, horse baby foal, donkey baby foal, sheep baby lamb. Baby bird named duck baby duckling, chicken baby chick, parrot baby chick, sparrow baby chick, nightingale baby chick, woodkeeper baby chick, peacock baby peachick, eagle baby eaglet, owl baby owlet. Applications. Drug addiction. Through the columns of your esteemed daily, I like to protest against drug addictions is the dangerous push in our society. The measure of pupil is to face of the death. It is a great regret that we should be inconvenienced in such a way for uncertain period. Conversations. Hi mom, what are you doing now? Baby, I am digging a hole. Why are you digging a hole? Because I have a plan to a tree. What is the tree? It is the apple tree. How does it grow up? It grows up as slowly at first. Prepositions. In, on, with, about, above, across, beside, between, under.